let h of s equals negative s squared and f of s equals s squared times cosine of 10 pi s and g of s equals s squared. Use the Squeeze theorem to show that limit of f of s, which g, this one, equals 0 when s approaches 0, right? So we know that sine s and cosine s always greater than or equal to negative 1, less than or equal to 1. Keep this one in mind. You learn this one in AB pre-calculus. So we have cosine of 10 pi s, right? Always greater than or equal to negative 1, less than or equal to 1, right? So I look at this one right here, I have s squared right here. So I need to multiply 3 side by s squared. So I have negative s squared. Now I'm gonna take limit 3 sides when s approaches 0, right? Right here. So I have now substitute 0 for s, the left hand side equals 0, the right hand side equals 0, the middle one you just rewrite it, right? Now by the Squeeze theorem, limit of f of s when s approaches 0 equals 0, right? Because the left and the right, they both 0, right? Now question B, use your TI calculator to sketch the graph of h of s, f of s, and g of s on the same coordinate axis using the window of negative 1 to 1, negative 1 to 1. Alright, so I'm going to bring up the calculator. Alright, so I'm going to hit graph right here. Now I'm going to input the function h of s first, right? The function h of s equals negative s squared, right? So negative, and then I hit enter, it's gonna be right here. The second one, g of s, right? So I hit tab, g of s equals s squared, hit enter, it's gonna be right here. And the last one is gonna be s squared times cosine of 10 pi s, right? So I hit next tab, then I hit enter, it's gonna be right here. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand